Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies are falling down. Why is this happening? I have some very important information regarding why cryptos are falling and much more. So make sure you guys watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, where we call out huge plays before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon for only $10 a month, where you can message me anytime. We have a bunch of other services where we can build you a portfolio, you can talk to me on the phone, and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner on Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin Giveaway in the comments. If you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you all smash up the like button. It helps us support the channel and the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments, did any of you take profit for any cryptos yesterday or the day before when cryptos were really high? So cryptos have been doing very good lately, breaking very high levels of resistance. Cryptos are still holding up despite the little drop that we saw in the market. Ethereum is still above $3,000. Bitcoin still above 44,000, which is good to see. Dogecoin 26, almost 27 cents. It's looking like we're actually getting a bounce for Dogecoin right now. But why did cryptos drop? We will be getting into that in just a moment, but before we do, let's go ahead and break some of these headlines. So Ether holds long-term support ahead of all-time highs. So they're basically saying cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum in this very instant, is holding up strong levels of support. This is very, very bullish. If cryptos, after pumping up a lot, generally sometimes what can happen is they can drop down significantly. But if cryptos drop down a little bit and hold key and strong levels of support, it shows the bullish momentum is still there, that we're in a very strong bull run and uptrend. So what the article also goes on to say is that the uptrend for Ether is strengthening after the cryptocurrency avoided a breakdown below a crucial support threshold. So what we are seeing is that the crypto market right now is strengthening before our eyes, despite these big drops that we witnessed this morning or today. Nothing to be worried about. It's a healthy part of a bull run, retracements. That's what this is. A retracement is when you're in an uptrend, you're going up and you take a small little pull back to gain momentum. It's like pulling a bow back with a bow and arrow. So the way bull trends and uptrends work is you can't go up and up and up and up. The buyers get exhausted. The buying power gets exhausted at some point. And what you have is a lot of people on the sidelines, like ourselves, we're waiting for entries. You have a lot of money on the sidelines after big rises because a lot of people, a lot of smart money, they don't like to buy when things are going up. They don't like to chase the uptrend. They don't like to chase run ups. They don't like to chase cryptos or stocks when they're running up and up and up, because generally most of the time after something runs up and pumps up so much, it comes down significantly. So smart money, big investors, institutions, whales, they wait for these pullbacks to make their entry. So it's really healthy when you're in an uptrend and when you're in a bullish momentum, things go up really fast, they come down. And that coming down, or that retracement as it is called, actually helps to build stronger momentum, because you have now all these people on top of all the people that are buying the price up, jumping back in to bring the price up even further. So when things can go down, it actually helps the price to go further. The crypto fear and greed index, we are still in greed, but I believe there's a little bit of fear in the market, which could potentially bring this thing to neutral. This indicator lags a little bit, so we could be at neutral, or we could get a strong bounce and continuation in this uptrend even today, as we're starting to potentially see right this very moment. So Bitcoin continues ranging at $44,000 and $46,000. And token circulation has remained lower than expected. So this is very good. The supply of Bitcoin is very low, and this is also the same for Ethereum. And these are one of the main driving factors for these cryptocurrencies to continue to bring them up much. So when you see the supply for Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to lower and lower and lower, that's what is driving the momentum of the entire crypto market. And development activity rates for crypto's top assets are showing continued dominance from Cardano as well as Ethereum rising. And XRP is closing in on a higher daily development rate than Bitcoin, which has rarely occurred. So we're definitely seeing a spike in the price of XRP. which we've been buying in the Patreon since XRP was what, 60 cents or so. And even recently, XRP continues to climb and climb and climb, looking very good. So we're definitely seeing a lot of activity for Cardano right now. There's a lot of excitement for Cardano for the huge updates that are coming out, as well as Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. These are some of the big projects that are happening right now as far as development is concerned. And here's some very interesting data. Bitcoin distribution keeps getting higher. Whales now only hold 25% of the Bitcoin supply. So what we're seeing is that the middle class, the small guy, they're actually getting the bigger percentage of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin supply, which is really good. So the retail investors, these are the ones that are jumping in. These are the ones that are holding. These are the ones that are accumulating right now because they see the future potential of crypto to give them financial freedom in the future. Very good to see here. So especially with China leaving Bitcoin mining, it's given a lot of power to different people within the crypto space. And previously, China, what they were actually doing, especially for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, is they had the largest mining pool for Bitcoin. And what they were able to do is, in order for them to profit, they mine Bitcoin and they sell Bitcoin, but they were dumping Bitcoin all together at the same time to drop the prices of Bitcoin so that they can make more money, so that they can profit with the little guy losing out on a lot of his profits. So now we're giving that power to the middle class. We're giving that power back into America, where the distribution of Bitcoin mining and the Bitcoin miners and the rewards for Bitcoin mining has been distributed. And it's not only going to be in the strongest pool together where they're manipulating the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So this is definitely a good progression for cryptocurrencies. Taking a look at CoinMarketCap, the last 24 hours, we're seeing Bitcoin down about 5%, Ethereum down about 6%, Cardano down about 7%, and XRP is up. Look at this. The last 7 days, XRP is up 32%. This is absolutely amazing to see. Dogecoin, the last 7 days up 32% as well, but we are down about 5% today. We're starting to get a little bounce now. Uniswap down almost 10%. So these cryptos that are in the biggest dips, they might be one of the best opportunities to get into. Cryptos that have pumped up a lot and a lot and a lot. The ones that dip the most, as we have seen in this crypto recovery, like Polkadot went to almost $10 from $40. The ones that were lagging behind and slow to recover ended up bouncing back up to close to the levels that they were at before. So the ones that drop the most, especially successful crypto projects, popular crypto projects, those are definitely ones to consider scooping up. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. So most importantly, let's take a look at the crypto market through technical analysis. We want to start with a 4-hour. So we're definitely seeing the momentum wave on the transactional values for Ethereum. Let's see, Bitcoin kind of holding steady there. Dogecoin, the momentum wave is fine. But for Ethereum, we're starting to see a little bit of a downtrend. So there's a lot of people taking profits because Ethereum went up almost like 20 something days in a row. We had like one red day. And we're still in an uptrend. Look at this. If we take off these indicators here, we still see that we're making higher highs and higher lows. So Ethereum is still looking very bullish, especially on the 4-hour. And on the 30-minute, we're not breaking past key levels of support, just like that article called out. That next level of support for Ethereum would be 28.97, around that level. So 2,900 or so. So if we ended up coming down here, it would still be fine. But if we broke past it, it would definitely show that we'd be coming into a small downtrend. But it definitely shows some bearish momentum, and we'd be flipping bearish in the immediate short term. For Bitcoin, we're still holding up higher highs and higher lows. And the key level of support we want to watch out for is 43,300. If we end up coming down here and bouncing off of it, it would be fine. Or if we ended up coming down and breaking below it, that would be definitely a time to be flipping bearish for cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. For Dogecoin, we are still holding up strong. And our key level of support is going to be 24.5 cents, in that range. So near 25 cents, 24.5 cents. That's going to be our key level of support, but it's looking like we might be potentially getting a bounce here. Definitely not going to be making an entry with a small little bounce there, but we definitely want to see some recovery before making another entry here. Taking a look at Cardano before we get back to Dogecoin, we're still seeing higher highs and higher lows. And that next level of support, we are just at level of support $1.70, and then the next level of support would be $1.66. and then $1.53. So these are pretty much going to be those buy zones for us, but we want to see how Cardano and how these cryptos are interacting with these support levels. We could certainly come down further, but looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's looking like the crypto market is still holding up strong. So we could be getting a bounce in the crypto market here very soon, especially after a major retracement for a lot of these altcoins. Cardano has come down 10%, so nothing crazy to be worried about. But it looks like Dogecoin has had the biggest retracement from the top of yesterday. We are down about 13%, and our current range is about negative 10% from that top. So nothing crazy right now. We're just seeing profit taking in the crypto market, which we could be expecting a big bounce here very soon. So stay posted in the Patreon, where I will be announcing a buy alert when that opportunity happens. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or send to your bank account at any time. If you guys got something out of the video, make sure you share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all tonight.